Hello guys, welcome to Amit Things. In this video, we will see how we can easily download and install Eclipse 2020-12, that is the current Eclipse version with Java 16. So Java 16 also released today, and we will see how we can run the new Eclipse version with the new Java version. At first guys, let us download and install Java 16 on our Windows 10 64-bit system. Let's start. Herein we are using Chrome. You can use any browser. On Google, type Oracle Java. On typing, the official website is visible, oracle.com/java. Click on it. Herein you can see the download Java button is visible on the official website. Click on it. On clicking guys, Java SE 16 is the latest release. Herein click on JDK download. Now the downloads are visible. Go below. Herein you can see the Java 16 downloads are visible for Linux, Mac and Windows. So we are going for Windows 10 64-bit. So we'll go for the following: Windows x64 installer 150 MB. It's an exe file, that means it's an installer. Click on it to download. Click on I reviewed and accept, and now the download button is visible. Click on it to download. The download started. You can see 151 MB. Wait for a few seconds. The download completed guys. The exe file is visible here. Now we will begin with the installation. Double click on it. I'll minimize this. The setup started. Click on next. Now you can see it will install Java JDK 16, that is Java 16, under program files Java folder, and it will also create a folder JDK 16. If you want to change the location, you can click here and change the location, but I'll click on cancel because I am good to go with the default location. It will take 420 MB. Now click on next. Now the installation started. So guys, the setup completed. Now click on close. Here it is written successfully installed. Click on close. So guys, we have installed Java 16. Now we will set the path. Let us first see where we have installed it. So we installed in C drive, program files. Here it created Java folder. Here it is JDK 16, JDK 16, and here it is. Go to bin and copy this path. After that guys, minimize, go to start, type environment variables. Click on the first one, not the second one. Many people are doing this blunder, and I'm getting a lot of comments that they clicked on the following and nothing was visible. Everything under environment variables was disabled. So click on the first one where it is written edit the system environment variables. Click on it. On clicking on the system properties, click on environment variables. Now guys, here it is. The following is for only Amit user, that is the user on this system, but the system variables are for all the users on this system. It's a good practice to go for this to avoid any future errors. So herein, go to path, double click. Now guys, all the environment variables are visible. You just need to click on new and just paste the path. Here it is. You copied before. We pasted the following path. We copied it before. Now click on OK. OK and the last OK. Now guys, we have also set the environment variables. Now let us verify the installation. Go to start. Type cmd. Click on it to open. Herein guys, type a command java --- version and press enter. So guys, here you can see Java 16 is visible. The release date is also visible. And if the following can be seen, that means we have successfully installed Java 16. So guys, we saw how we can easily download and install Java 16. Now we will see how to install the Eclipse 2020-12 version on our Windows 10 system. Let's begin. At first, we will go to the browser. Herein type Eclipse. Press enter. On pressing enter, the official website is visible. Click on it. Here it is guys, the official website. Click on download. Now here is the downloader for 64-bit. Click on it. Now let us click on download to download it. The download started, guys. 102 MB. It will take few seconds to download. So guys, now we have successfully downloaded the Eclipse 2020-12 version. We will double click to install. Minimize this. So the Eclipse installer is visible. Here are different installers are visible. The following is for Java developers. This is for C, C++. Next comes embedded. Next is for web dev, that is web and JavaScript. Here is for PHP developers. And here are all the versions, including for testers. We want for Java, so we will click on it. On clicking, you can see it has automatically detected that we installed Java 16. We just installed Java 16, JDK 16. It automatically detected it. This is why it is required to install Java. That means a prerequisite for Eclipse is Java. And the installation folder is the following. If you want to change the installation location, you can click here. It will create the following folder. If you want to uncheck them, it's your wish. It won't create your start menu as well as your desktop shortcut, but I'll keep the same and click on install. You need a good internet connection to install it. It will take some good minutes. Click on it. Now you can see, guys, we have successfully installed Eclipse IDE for Java developers, and that too with Java 16. Now I'll click on launch. It automatically created a desktop shortcut and a start menu entry. Go to start, type Eclipse, and you can see it created a start menu entry also as well as the desktop. I'll click on launch from here. Now guys, it is asking us to select a directory as workspace. Workspace is a place, is a location on your system wherein all your project, resources, files, plugins will get stored. It will by default get stored in the following location. If you want to change the location for workspace, click on browse and select the location from here. But I'll click on cancel and keep the same. If you don't want to select it again and again, click on this. Now whenever you'll open Eclipse IDE, it won't ask you about the workspace. I'll click on launch. So guys, thank you for watching the video. In this video, we saw how we can install Java 16 and how we can run an Eclipse IDE with Java 16. Thank you for watching the video. If you liked it, do subscribe to our channel Amit Thinks.